It's a nice spot. Am I thinking about living over here? I don't know. It's Mr. Givens. It's a nice spot back there also. Where am I thinking about living? Wherever I lay my head. Much love to the beautiful girls and their parents and the superpower of the human race, the girl. So again, Miami-Dade County Public School System. If I do decide to live over here, it's gonna come out of their pockets. I ain't gonna be able to do this much longer until I get my funds. What people cry and fight about, ideology, money. It's a nice, beautiful spot though. Nice, quiet.